From your first shirt to 1,000 a day, DTF Station makes a printer for exactly where you are. And in the next few minutes, we're gonna help you find the right one for you.
Choosing is simple if you answer these two questions. 1, are you printing on fabric or on hard surfaces? And 2, how many pieces do you need each day? Keep those in mind as we go.
So first of all, if you're making shirts, hoodies, and bags, that's gonna be DTF, and it lives in the Prestige line.
If you're making tumblers, cases, and signage, that is UV DTF, and that is the Aries line. Pick your lane and follow it.
Now, if you chose fabric, here is the ladder.
The R1 to start, the R2 Pro to scale with dual heads, then the XL series for production. XL2, 3, and 4, and now the X6 adds extra heads, speed, and color as you climb.
It's the same brand, the same workflow, all the way up. If you chose hard surfaces, the Aries line is gonna be your home.
The 213 is the compact all-in-one with a built-in laminator. The 124 is a wider and faster for higher volume. Both print, laminate in one machine, there's no heat press required.
So just as a quick recap, the R1 if you're just starting out, and the R2 Pro if you're scaling, and of course as you go up, the XL2, XL3, XL4, and X6 for production.
Aries 213 or 124 for UV DTF, there is a right printer for every shop.
Now, the part that matters the most. Buy any DTF Station printer from Heat Press Nation and you get 2 teams.
On the desktop R series, DTF Station sets you up with the virtual installation and training with an in-person upgrade if you want it. On the large format XL printers, a DTF Station expert comes to your shop and installs it in person. Either way, you get free lifetime technical training and our online community with Discord.
And Heat Press Nation adds lifetime technical support from our own experts. And Heat Press Nation stays your home base long after the sale. You can restock your film, ink, and powder right where you bought your printer with free ground shipping site-wide. And we have 2 warehouses, one on the West Coast and one on the East Coast, to get you your supplies faster. Plus, we have a manufacturer warranty, best price guarantee, and financing so you can get started today.
So fabric or hard surface, and how many per day?
Answer those, pick your lane, and we'll help with the rest.
Explore every DTF Station printer at heatpressnation.com.
Your home for DTF Station.